Hey guys, welcome to Adventures of Carlienne. I'm Adrienne, and thanks for joining us on this cooking series, where we get to share all the things that we love to do and eat in the kitchen. This January, we're doing an egg challenge, so every single day, we're cooking eggs a different kind of way. Let's get started.
Recording.
Today we're doing over easy, over medium, over hard. Now, everybody in my family likes their eggs cooked a little differently, and so we're going to tackle that today. They're fried on both sides, and depending on how you're feeling that day, you cook it how you want it. Just keep in mind, for over easy, you're still going to have a runny yolk. So maybe 30 seconds on that second side, and for over medium, you still have a runny yolk, but it's going to be thicker in consistency. Think soft boiled egg kind of thing. And for over hard, well, you get the picture. So here's how me and my family love to enjoy these eggs. Let's go.